I'm in my zone, no travel card. We above Medellin, didn't mean Panama. Honey, we eating, something like Alica. Slicker than Greece, no Malia. Me, I sink ships like Hamaka. Z with the valleys up, G's wanna Akia. Sweet like a janitor. Put you in the frame and just shoot like a camera. Me, I go on. Stamina. I don't want politics, no states Canada. Got 'em all positive, like an AIDS carrier. Like I ain't badder than a bag of rap badgers. Tryna blag a little grammar, did I stutter, did I stammer? Grown folks swagger, so no Gallagher. Looking like a challenge, now they looking back in anger. I'm a hooker for a banger, F it up just for a bag of motivation. They'll be buzzing when I touch on operation.
Blue, it's all go, like a yo-yo. I spit bars like a beast, that's my mojo. Resurrected, top selected, I make the beat shake like an epileptic. Tick, 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 I think I'm going off. I'm showing off like watch me, I throw 'em off. And I can weed out fakes, that's my 6 cents. Chew 'em out, cut them all off like split ends. I do my own thing, they ain't me. Let's get that real straight now, GHD. You can hear me on one extra, DAB. So put me on top of everything, VAT. I'm BAD, from the top down to the soles, from the crown to the toes. I'm astounding, the flow's cold. I'm raining down on your parade, wet play. I'll end the games right now, checkmate.
So rhyming has never been a chore. Try your ting, then you'll find how I lie and mix a raw. Fire in more balls, then write you on a war. No, Ness didn't really think so. I am in my element, I'm dead in them more. With my pad and pen, sure you can dabble in. You don't wanna end up in beef, babe, come on. Whatever tune I'm on, they pull out. Just like a guy with no dom on. Hold on, you man are beneath me. Girl, I'm females in the scene, we running the thing so long. Even on my one, I can hold it up. Jog and showed up on my ones, and I'll stay focused till I got a one. Kept it, casual, I murder, harder than erected. Take it to a length further than expected. We are on the next tip. Females in this thing, gotta accept it. Nested. La-di-da-di, we likes the party. We don't cause trouble, we don't bother nobody where. And when we rock up on the mic, we rock the mic right.
Lardy-dardy, rocks came to party. Rolling like a Harley while I'm smoking like a Marley. Sipping on Kavasi and it's flowing through my body. I'm just trying to make some paper like I'm part Illuminati. I'm an animal, walking my safari. Got the game up in my palm and I'ma play it like Atari. No Barbie, I'm hotter than wasabi. Go harder than these other chicks are glassy through 'em like Bulgari. Frames, I roll triple X, yeah, forget other names. I can do it sexy, but still I like to change. So, la-di-di-di-da-di-da, I'm better than a boy named Diddy. Run the city like a unit led by Fiddy. Yeah, it's really that, tougher than Nigerian hair. I need a milli, you should give me that. Times 3 without the willy, top model without the skinny. Roll fugs in a bikini,
I used to roll with terror back in 08. So now I'm with the Simmons sipping rosé. I've come a long way from the old days. I still get a bit of hate, but it's okay. I go straight, why they go straight? Good and I kill them like OJ. When I show rage, grip on my rhythm, I don't play, make them rotate. Now wear the crown, I tear it down in my own way. They go.
Alright guys, this is the final look for the taper fade along with the lineup. As you see, I clearly didn't cut any of the top down. I only keep this wolf exactly where it is. I'm at 9 weeks right now, okay? It's been a very long journey, very long. You guys can see the full look. I'm gonna do a good spin around for you guys. You guys can judge it for yourself, all right? As you guys see here, my crown is getting a lot better. It's getting a lot better from what it was from back in the day when I first started this channel. Don't make fun of my hands, I know they ashy. Yeah. Wolfing has really helped this area right here. And yeah. Go ahead and drop down in the comment section what you guys think about this particular cut here. I know I'm not a master barber, I'm not, there's no way I will be, but at the same time, it saves money to make sure that you can still look as good as you can while still maintaining that wolf that you have to keep everything laid, all right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you are new, and if you've been here, do it anyway, I don't care. I need y'all's help just like you need all the information I have on these, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Holla back and keep on spinning. I'm out.
Kick can't break that, leave the thing broke. Kick can't break that, leave the thing broke. Kick can't break that, leave the thing broke. Know that I'm going deep, wide open. Know that.